Pros and cons between salt and calcium chloride when using to melt ice. When the snow flies and ice forms, it is important to make the appropriate decision when trying to keep sidewalks, driveways, and other surfaces clean and safe. Salt, also referred to as sodium chloride. Rock salt is the most common and affordable, and it comes in various grades and forms like pellets or flakes, impacting melting speed and application techniques. Pros of salt. Salt is budget-friendly. It's the cheapest option out there, readily available at grocery stores and hardware stores. It provides an immediate grip on icy surfaces, reducing the risk of slips and falls. Salt is effective in moderate temperatures. It works well down to around 15 degrees Fahrenheit, -9 degrees Celsius, covering most winter conditions in many areas. You can use it on sidewalks, driveways, steps, and even porches. Cons of salt. Salt runoff can harm plants, pollute waterways, and disrupt the ecosystem. Over time, it can weaken and corrode concrete due to its chemical properties. It can corrode metal components on vehicles, railings, and other structures. It has limited effectiveness in temperatures below 15 degrees Fahrenheit, -9 degrees Celsius. Its effectiveness significantly drops in those temperatures. Salt can also be harmful to pets. Ingestion can lead to stomach upset and dehydration in pets, requiring veterinary care. Calcium chloride. Pros of calcium chloride. It is effective in very cold temperatures and works down to -25 degrees Fahrenheit, -32 degrees Celsius, making it ideal for frigid regions. Melts ice quicker than salt, especially at lower temperatures. Gentler on concrete and metal compared to salt. Less harmful to vegetation than salt, but still use caution. Cons of calcium chloride. It costs more than salt, though some blended ice melters combine it with salt for a balance. It may irritate skin and eyes if not handled properly. Calcium chloride can leave a slippery residue if overused. In a nutshell, choose salt if you're on a budget, live in a moderate climate, and prioritize immediate traction. Just use it responsibly and consider alternatives for sensitive areas. Choose calcium chloride if you live in an extremely cold region, need fast melting, and prioritize protecting concrete and metal. Be mindful of the cost and potential irritation. Alternatives to salt and calcium chloride include magnesium chloride and potassium chloride. Consider the potential impact on pets and the environment when making your choice. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your specific needs and priorities. Consider the temperature range, environmental impact, cost, and safety concerns before making your decision. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you like to use to melt ice at your house. It would be great to hear salting tips and experiences. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel.